What's up, guys? I'm back with some more game for you today. If you are someone who has the credit, who has the income, or let's say you don't even have income coming in, but you just have the money and you have the credit, right? And you're looking to buy a property, but you're like, well, I don't have W-2s. I don't show proof or a good net profit on the bottom line, right? On the tax returns, because as a business owner, you're writing off all your expenses, right? So let's just say you have a complex financial situation going on, but you have the money and you have the credit, just a complex financial situation, right? You can still purchase a property without having proof of income, without having the 1099, without having the W-2 or the tax return. You can still purchase a property with something called the DSCR loan. That's a debt service coverage ratio, which means that the property is performing. They're not really looking at you. They're looking at the property. They're looking at the property's income versus your income. So if the property is performing above that debt service, right, the property is bringing in more than what that payment is, then they will qualify you to purchase that property. You just have to put the money down. So it's not really much about you besides the credit score, right? And that money that you have cannot be in a Louis bag of cash. It has to be sitting in your bank account. So the money needs to be in your account along with reserves, 6 months plus, depending on the lender and your credit profile, right? So there's ways to purchase a property without having, showing the net profit, or you could have even won money from the lottery. You could have just gotten money, won the lottery, never had a job in your life, right? But you have the good credit. You can take that money and go buy a property DSCR. 20% down, anywhere from 20 to 30%. The LTVs are going to depend on your whole credit profile and the property. It just depends on that. So this is the game right here for you guys today, and we out.